Okay, go.
I have no idea what this is.
It's a frisbee.
I have no idea what this is. Oh, you're gonna have to blow on it.
Ew.
Pet that. Bubble, 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 bubble. Ooh, what's this? Ooh, what's this? I know I had this last year. I don't know.
Yeah, you tell the same thing?
What? Hey, look, a bug. Yay! I got the bug. Army people. What's this? More ghosts. More glow sticks. Glasses. And the rest is candy. I got a ring pop. Me too. I got light. I got another ring pop, and that's all. I just have candy. I got a light. That's all left. I just have candy left.
No, you like candy anyway, huh?
No, not that much.
Oh, that's a lie. Oh, you fibber. What kind of candy did you get?
Ring pop. And then me too. I got ring pop. A fun dip. I have no idea what this is. A funny dip.
A funny dip. You got a funny dip, Mama?
He says a fun dip. Called a ring pop. I got good pop. Hey, is this mine or yours?
Ryan, you just covered up Isabel.
Oh, what about now?
That's all you got?
Yeah. Oh, twinkle package size.
Ryan. That's what I did. That's what a big guy for a pet shop. So
I got more than this. 3 packs. I got 3. It looks bubble bubble. I wonder what this is. Bubble bubble. I think it's gum. Ow. There you go. Bubble bubble. Oh yay! I finally opened the bubble bubble. Holy moly macaroni.
Gum?
Yes. Can I see? Bubble bubble. Bubble bubble. That's yours.